In today's video, we're exploring the best Colorize apps for Android that can effortlessly transform your old black and white photos into vivid, colorful memories. If you're ready to breathe new life into your cherished images, let's dive right in. Colorize. Color to old photos. Colorize. Color to old photos is an innovative app designed to automatically add color to black and white images, transforming them into stunning, vibrant pictures. Utilizing advanced AI technology, this app analyzes the original image and applies appropriate colors based on its understanding of various objects, landscapes, and skin tones. Users can either take a new photo or upload an existing one to see it come to life in color. The app also allows for easy adjustments, enabling users to tweak colors and enhance the final result. With its user-friendly interface and impressive AI capabilities, Colorize makes it simple for anyone to breathe new life into their cherished memories. Colorize Images. Colorize Images is another powerful app that specializes in colorizing vintage black and white photos. This app uses cutting-edge AI algorithms to intelligently add color to images, offering impressive results with minimal user input. Users can either upload their photos or take new pictures directly within the app, and then watch as it automatically transforms them into colorful representations. Additionally, Colorize Images offers manual editing tools, allowing users to fine-tune specific areas of their photos for a more personalized look. The app's simple interface makes it accessible for everyone, whether you're a photography enthusiast or just want to enjoy the process of reviving old memories with color. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Colorize, Color to Old Photos and Colorize Images helps you find the perfect app to revitalize your vintage photos. Until next time, happy colorizing.